Hi guys, welcome to the PageFly tutorial series. And in this video, I will introduce to you how to use Shopify Product Image element in PageFly pages. To fast forward, you can click on the timestamp here to jump between each steps. The Product Image element is designed to display images of your Shopify products on your page. Product Image element is an important one to promote your products. Here is the PageFly product page editor. I assign this product to the product page. Go to the left sidebar, click Add Shopify element and you can find Product Image element under Product Parameter. There are 3 options for the product image you can choose. I will choose the first one. Then drag and drop it into your page editor. If you are in the product page, go to the General tab. There are 2 options of product source you can choose. Click on Auto if you want the element to show the image of the product that is assigned to your product page. Or click Custom Product if you would like choose the product you want to show its image. If you are in the regular page, go to the General tab. You can see the product source option is disabled and the custom product chosen by default. You need to click on Select button to choose the displayed product. Just like this. Back to the product page. Here in the General tab, you can also see other options to customize the product image. With the default image source option, you can choose the displayed product image, featured image or first variant image. Please note that you can check these product images by going to Shopify admin. I will choose featured image in this case. Turn on the set fixed height option if you want to adjust the height of the product image. The maximum height is 2000 pixels. With the image hover action option, you can set up animation when hovering the image. If you choose enable image magnifier, the main image will be magnified when you hover on each of them. If you choose show hover image, the default image will be replaced by another image after a 0.3 seconds delay. To choose the hover image, go to the hover image option. You can see there are 4 options here: next image, last image, random image, all images. I will choose the next image. Please note that image hover action will not work on touch-based devices like tablets or smartphones. Scroll down to the image click action option. There are 3 options to choose when clicking on the product image. If you choose the link to product option, when you click on product image on live page, it will show the page displaying the product. Choose show full screen image if you want to view full screen with taps or clicks on the image. Another amazing thing with this option is that on the mobile device, you can double tap to zoom in the product image and double tap again to zoom out. If you choose none, nothing happens. Now, I will choose link to product. You also can show the product image list of this product. If you choose to show, you can customize its position here. You can choose the position for the list with 4 choices: top, right, bottom, and left. You can also be able to choose the layout for the image list and it will be displayed as slide or grid. Items per slide here and item spacing can be adjusted here. Now I will click the image list item. You can style for the 3 states of the header such as normal, hover, and selected. With the hover state, the border of the image is being set as solid border and gray color. You can click more settings to set up the border width and border radius. Back to General tab, enable show badge option if you want to show a badge on your product image. There are 4 positions for you to choose: top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. If you click product badge on the page editor, go to the General tab and you can see it shows the discount and stock left of this product. You can remove one option and add it again. You can also add custom content for that badge. In this video, I will change the default text to be on sale. Bear in mind that the discount and stock are calculated based on the value of the selected product variant. You can check and adjust them in Shopify admin. You can also apply this product badge to specific products. When you enable apply product condition. With the belong to collections option, you can apply this badge to all collections or custom collections and click plus sign here to choose the collections. The contain tags option allows show badge only when the product contains one of the defined tags. First, you will have to head back to Shopify admin to find the product there. On the right side, find the tag, then copy and paste into contain tag. Done. Now go to the styling tab to style for your badge. You can adjust the size of your badge by changing the padding and margin parameter. You can also change the background color of the badge and add a ratio value to it as I'm doing. This time I would like to set the background color red, and then I will adjust the border radius as 50 pixels to have a kind of oval border. Now hit publish. And live view. To see the live page. If you see this element on mobile, you can see there are some round dots on the image like this. If you want to remove it, you can add this code into the custom code editor. Now, let's check it on the live page. You see? The dots under product image has been totally removed. This is the end of the tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful future content. Thanks for watching.